Hi students, today we are going to solve October November 2021 paper 1-2 for A-Levels Mathematics, AS Mathematics. So let's start. This is question number 1, and this question, it's basically a trick question, and solve this equation. 2 cos theta equals 7 minus 3 divided by cos theta for minus 90 till 90 degrees. This is important, that range is given from minus 90 to 90 degrees. That means this is your minus 90 and this is your plus 90 degree. That means it is your first and fourth quadrant in which we will be finding our solutions, right? So in this case, what we have to do is, it's 2 cos theta is equal to 7 cos theta minus 3 divided by cos theta. I just taken the LCM on right hand side. You cross multiply cos theta over there. This is 2 cos square theta is equal to 7 cos theta minus 3. And then we can take 2 cos square theta. We can take 7 cos theta to left hand side. 7 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then we can easily find out the factors. It's 2 cos square theta minus 6 cos theta minus 1 cos theta plus 3 is equal to 0. So it's going to be, when we take 2 cos theta common out of it, it's cos theta minus 3, and then we take minus 1 cos theta, minus 1 common, so it is cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So cos theta minus 3 factors would be 2 cos theta minus 1 and cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. Now product is 0. We can take 2 cos theta minus 1 equal to 0 and cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0. So cos theta is coming 3 here. We are going to neglect it, and this is 2 cos theta is equal to 1 and cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Now this is very important to discuss here, that cos theta value of cos theta is always between minus 1 and 1. That's why we neglect any value that is coming out of the range. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. From the beginning we know that it's between minus 90 to 90, means it's third and fourth quadrant basically. So you have to find out basic angles first of all. So cos is positive, that means it's here and here. Okay, so basic angle would become cos inverse of 1 by 2, and this is equal to 60 degrees. So that means this is 60 degrees, this is also 60 degrees. But we know that this is negative 90 and that would become minus 60. So my final answers would be theta equals to minus 60 and theta is equal to 60 in given range, right? So in this range we have theta equals to minus 60 and theta equals to 60 because it was between minus 90 and 90 degrees. In question number 2, this is a transformation question. It says the graph of y equals to f of x is transformed to the graph of y equals to f of 2x minus 3. Now you know these are two transformations we could see. Describe fully the two single transformations that have been combined to give the resultant transformation. So you could see horizontal stretch, okay, and followed by a vertical translation. So you would say that the graph has been, it's a horizontal stretch with scale factor 1 by 2, and then you would say that it is followed by vertical translation negative 3 units. Okay, or we would say that its translation vector would be 0 and minus 3, right? Okay, we would say that in this case it's a horizontal stretch, or you could say stretch along x-axis with scale factor 1 by 2 and followed by a vertical translation with minus 3 units down. So this is translation vector. Okay, in B part, using the same transformation of stretch along x-axis, scale factor 1 by 2 and with vertical translation minus 3 along y-axis. Minus 3 means you're moving down along y-axis. State the coordinates of the corresponding point in the original curve y equals to f of x. The point 5, 6 lies on the transformed curve. Okay, now 5 and 6 is the result of this. So you could see that this is basically it's negative 3. That means this graph has been translated 3 units down. Okay, so its y coordinate is going to be 3 units up, that will be 9. Okay, and f of 2x, so transformed curve is like it was stretch along x-axis with scale factor of 1 by 2. Okay, so if you reverse it, that is going to be 10, 9. Okay, this 3 is responsible for vertical translation along y-axis, that you have transformed this graph. You have transformed this graph 3 units down, and 2x means you have used a stretch with a factor of 1 by 2. So after using a stretch factor of 1 by 2, it's 5. That means earlier it was 10. So it is 10 and 9 was the original point on the were the coordinates of the point on the original curve. Now in question number 3, we have a function. A function is defined as the following: x is greater than 1. Okay, f of x is this. Find the value of f of 5. That means we need to find value of f of 5 and then put it back into the function. F of 5 would mean 5 plus 3 divided by 5 minus 1, that is equal to 8 by 4, that is equal to 2. So value of f of 5 is equal to 2, and then you find f of 5. That means you have to substitute this f of 5 back in the function. So that is equal to 2 plus 3 divided by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 5. So f of 5 is coming as f of 5 is coming as 5. Okay, in B part they want us to find inverse function x plus 3 x minus 1. It's x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. So first of all, we have to make let y equals to f of x in order to find inverse of function. So it's y is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1, right? And then we have to make x the subject. You cross multiply it here. So it's y x minus 1 is equal to x plus 3. So it is xy minus y is equal to x plus 3. And it's going to be xy minus x is equal to y plus 3. We take x common, it's y minus 1 is equal to y plus 3, right? And at the end we would be making x the subject. It's y plus 3 divided by y minus 1. Okay, if you see in the beginning when we supposed y equals to f of x, this function can be taken to left hand side, making f inverse of y is equal to x. So now you replace x with f inverse of y. So we replace this x with f inverse of y, that is equal to y plus 3 divided by y minus 1. And what you have to do is at the end you replace every y with x. So f inverse of x is equal to x plus 3 divided by x minus 1. So this is your inverse function. So question number 4 is differentiation. A curve is such that dy by dx is equal to 8 divided by 3x plus 2. The curve passes to the point 2 and 5 whole 2 by 3. Find the equation of the curve. So here you go. First of all, let's start. Dy by dx is equal to 8 into 3x plus 2 power minus 2. So you're going to integrate it. It's y is equal to 8. It's going to be 3x plus 2 minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 times derivative of base. So base derivative is 3. So it is going to be 8 plus constant of integration. 8 3x plus 2 power minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 is minus 3. Okay, plus c. Now we can rearrange it. 8 minus 8 divided by 3, it is 3x plus 2 plus constant of integration. Now in order to find value c, what we used to do is we used to substitute x and y values here. So you have x as to 17 divided by 3. So let's substitute value of x and y, 2 and 17 by 3. 2 and 17 by 3 minus 8 divided by 3 plus 2 plus constant of integration. It is 17 by 3 is equal to minus 8 divided by 3, 6 plus 8. So you can cancel this 8 plus c. So it is going to be 17 divided by 3 plus 1 divided by 3 is equal to c. So we have same denominator. We can add these two fractions. It's 18 by 3, that is equal to c is equal to 6. And your final answer would be y is equal to minus 8 divided by 3, 3x plus 2 plus 6. So this is required equation. This is the required equation of curve. Okay, now let's move to next part. This is the question number 5 says this: the first, third and fifth term of an arithmetic progression are 2 cos x minus 6 root 3 sin x and 10 cos x respectively between pi by 2 to. Now this is your pi by 2 and this is your pi, right? Find the exact value of x. Okay, given that these are in arithmetic progression, the common difference would be same. Okay, their common difference will be same. So that means this is your first term, this is your second term, this is your third term. So we are going to find the differences and put them equal. Okay, we can see that in this case minus 6 under root 3 sin x minus 2 cos x must become equal to 10 cos x minus 6 under root 3 sin x. So what we have done so far is second term minus difference of second term minus first term is equal to difference of third and second term. Now let's rearrange it, all cos values and all sin values. So what we are going to do is now it's minus 2 cos x minus 10 cos x is equal to 6 under root 3 sin x plus 6 under root 3 sin x. So that makes minus 12 cos x is equal to 12 under root 3 sin x. We can see 12 is cancelled out, so it's minus cos x is equal to under root 3 sin x. We can easily make it tan, so it's minus 1 divided by under root 3 is equal to sin x divided by cos x. That makes it tan x is equal to minus 1 by under root 3. Now tan is negative. Tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant, and in the question range we have is from pi by 2 to pi. That means it is in the second quadrant. So you are going to use this concept. Now the basic angle will become equals to tan inverse of 1 divided by under root 3. So if we use tan inverse of 1 divided by under root 3, that is going to be, it's pi divided by 6, right? So this is going to be pi by 6. So for answer we have theta, that is equal to pi minus pi by 6, that is equal to 5 pi by 6. That is our final answer, sorry, value of x. It's x is equal to 5 pi by 6. Got it? Now question number 5. Question number 5 is from arithmetic progression, right? They have given us first and third and fifth term. So your first term is equal to 2 cos x. Your third term is equal to minus 6 under root 3 sin x. And your fifth term is equal to 10 cos x. Now we know that third term is always equals to a plus 2d, that is equal to minus 6 under root 3 sin x. You can substitute value of a from the first term, that makes it 2 cos x plus 2d is equal to minus 6 under root 3 sin x. So from here 2d is equal to minus 6 under root 3 sin x minus 2 cos x, right? And then you can divide the whole term with 2, that will make it d is equal to minus 3 under root 3 sin x minus cos x, right? Okay, coming to fifth term can be expressed as a plus 4d, that is equal to 10 cos x. Value of a is 2 cos x, so 2 cos x plus 4d is equal to 10 cos x. So that makes it 4d is equal to 10 cos x minus 2 cos x, that will be 8 cos x. It's 4d and d is equal to 2 cos x. Now we are going to substitute this d here, that makes it 2 cos x minus 3 under root 3 sin x minus cos x, and then we are going to rearrange it for value of x. So this is going to be, when we bring this cos here to left hand side, 3 cos x is equal to minus 3 under root 3 sin x. You can cancel this 3, so it will be sin x divided by cos x is equal to minus 1 divided by under root 3, that is tan x is equal to minus 1 divided by under root 3. Now we know that tan is negative in second and fourth quadrant. So for basic angle we have tan inverse of 1 divided by under root 3. So from here your basic angle is going to be alpha is equal to pi by, it's going to be pi by 6, I guess. Okay. Now this is pi by 6, we subtract it from pi, so pi minus pi by 6 will make it, theta will become equals to pi minus pi by 6, that is equal to, sorry, not theta, it's x. X is equal to 5 pi by 6. This is value of x we get. Exact value of x. Okay. Now we know that d is equal to 2 cos x, d is equal to, it was equal to, d is equal to 2 cos x. From here we can easily substitute value of x as 5 pi by 6, so d is equal to 2 into cos of 5 pi by 6, that is going to be, so this value is going to be minus under root 3. Now we need to find sum of first 25 terms. So for this sum of 25 terms we will use this formula, 25 by 2, 2a into d. So 25 by 2 into 2a plus 24 into minus under root 3. What is our first term of the expression, it is 2 cos x. Okay, so 2 cos x is again minus under root 3. So eventually this becomes 25 by 2 into minus 20, it's minus 2 root 3 minus 24 root 3. So that is equal to 25 by 2 into minus 26 root 3. So that makes it 25 into minus 13 root 3, that is equal to 325 minus 325 root 3. So sum of 25 terms is equal to minus 325 under root 3. Got it? Here is another question of GP, geometric progression, and it says that the second term of a geometric progression is 54 and sum to infinity is this 243. The common ratio is greater than 1 by 2. This is the conditions given. Find the 10th term, giving your answer in exact form. So it is given that second term is 54. So we say that second term AR is equal to 54. And from here you can find A is 54 by R, right? And second information is given as the sum of infinity. So sum up to infinity is always equal to A over 1 minus R. It's given that 243. So 243 is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. Well, from first information, A is 54 by R. So we are going to put 54 by R into 1 minus R. That is 243. And we're going to simplify it, and in order to simplify it, we can cancel it with 3 ones are 3 and 381. So it is 81, and you cross multiplied R into 1 minus R, that is equal to 18. So it is basically 81 R minus 81 R square is equal to 18, or it is 81 R square minus 81 R plus 18 is equal to 0. We take 9 common. 9 R square minus 9 R plus 2 is equal to 0. So it is 9 R square minus 9 R plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 9 to 18, so it's 9 R square minus 6 R minus 3 R. So we take 3 R common. It's 3 R minus 2, I guess, minus 1. 3 R minus 2 is equal to 0. So it is 3 R minus 1 and 3 R minus 2 is equal to 0. That means R is equal to 1 by 3 and R is equal to 2 by 3. Now they are saying that common ratio is greater than 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 is 0.33. So this cannot be taken. We will take R as 2 by 3. Now we are looking for what will be my first term. So AR is equal to 54. A into value of R is 2 by 3. That is equal to 54. So 2 27s are, and 27 3s are, 3 7s are 21, 81. So first term is 81, and in question we need to find 10th term. So 10th term is always equal to AR 9. Now A is 81 and R common ratio we got is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 power 9. So that is equal to A10 is equal to 81 or 2 by 3 power 9. So 10th term is going to be 81 into 2 by 3, that makes it 512 divided by 243, right? So in this question number 7, we have to show that ABC is 1.25. Okay, have a look. Now this ABC is an isosceles triangle with these two sides equal 15 and 15. So that means if I manage to find this angle and then these two would be same. Okay, these two both angles would be same. So let's find this alpha first. Now in triangle APC, we can use right angle triangle APC to find this alpha. Okay, so that is going to be simply sine alpha is equal to 9 divided by 15, and alpha equals to sine inverse of 9 divided by 15. So let's check what it is. It is shift sine. We get 0.643 something. So alpha is equal to 0.643. Now we're going to subtract it from pi and divide it with 2. So x will become equals to pi minus 0.643 and whole divided by 2. So this minus pi whole divided by 2, we get 1.249, that is equal to 1.249 and so on. So that is approximately, show that this correct to 3 significant figures, it's 1.25, right? In next part, in order to find area of the shaded region PQC, what we need to find first of all is to find BC, so that we may find area of this sector first of all. Okay, and then we'll find area of this triangle and we'll subtract it. So how can we find a length BC? First of all, it is sine of 1.25 is equal to 9 divided by BC. So your BC is going to be 9 divided by sine of 1.25. So value of BC length is 9.48, right? Okay, what now we need to do is we need to find this PB first. That will become with the help of cos. So you say cos of 1.24 is equal to PB divided by 9.48. So 9.48. So PB is going to be equal to 9.48 into cos of 1.24. So that is PB, that is going to be 9.48 into cos 1.25. 1.25, that is going to be 2.98. So it's going to be 2.98. This length is 2.98, right? 2.98. Now I can easily find area of sector and then we can subtract area of triangle out of it for shaded area. So area of sector is going to be 1 by 2 into 9.48, 1 by 2 r square and theta, it's 1.25, minus area of triangle would become 1 by 2 into 2.98, 1 by 2 into base into height, that is 9. So if we do this whole thing in calculator, we have shaded area that is going to be 1 by 2 into 9.48 square into 1.25, that makes it 56.169 minus, that is equal to 1 by 2 into 2.98 into 9, that is equal to 13.41. So shaded area would become 56.169 minus 13.4, that is equal to 42.769. 42.769 or 42.8. So this is area of this shaded region. Okay. Okay, in this question number 8, it's given that in the expansion of 4 plus 2x and 2 minus ax power 5, the coefficient of x square is negative 15. Find the possible values of a. So let's open it. 4 plus 2x. So now we can open the whole thing in order to make it easy for you people. So for instance, if you do it's 5c0, 2 raised to the power 0 and minus ax power 1 plus 5c1, 2 power 1 minus ax power 2 power 4 ax1 plus it is 5c2, 2 raised to the power 3 and minus ax power 2 and so on. Okay, things what we require here is this and this in this expansion, okay, because when this 2x will be multiplied with ax, it will make it ax square, and this 4 multiplied to this. So it is simply 4 plus 2x into 5c1 is 5 into 2 raised to the power 4 into ax, right, minus plus 5c2 is 10, it's 2 cube and a square x square plus so on. You multiply this, it will make it minus 10 into 2 power 4 ax square and plus 4 tens are 40. We are going to multiply this 4 with 10, 40, 2 cube a square x square. So it's going to be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 minus 160 ax square plus 320 a square x square, right, and we take x square common, that is equal to minus 160 ax square, sorry not x square, plus 320 a square, and it is given that it's minus 15. So what we have here is minus 160a plus 320a square is equal to minus 15, and we rearrange it, it's 320a square minus 160a plus 15 is equal to 0, right, and then you can take 5 common out of it, so it is going to be 5, 6, 34 a square minus 5 3s are 15 2a plus 5 3s are 15 is equal to 0. So 64 a square minus 32a plus 3 equals to 0. Now in order to make factors of middle term breaking, we have, it's going to be 64a square minus 24a minus 8a plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, we take common, it's 8a, so 8 is 64 minus 8 34 minus 1 8a minus 3 is equal to 0. So it is simply 8a minus 1 into 8a minus 3 is equal to 0. So 8a minus 1 equals to 0 and 8a minus 3 equals to 0. So a equals to 1 by 8 and a equals to 3 by 8. These are two possible values of a in this question. Okay. Now in next part of the question, it says that it is given instead that the expansion of the coefficient of x square is k. It is also given that there is only one value of a which leads to this value of k. Find the values of k and a. Okay. In part B they say it is given instead this expansion, the coefficient of x square is k. In previous it was 15 minus 15, now it's k. It's also given that there is only one value of a which leads to this value of k. Okay, find the values of a, values of k and a. So if you see in the previous part when we did, wait a minute, here it was, yes, 320a square minus 160a, right, this was equal to 15 here. So 320a square minus 160a, 320a square minus 160a is equal to k. So it is 320a square minus 160a minus k is equal to 0. Now they say for this quadratic there is only one value of a which leads to this value of k. K is, by the way, in any case is y-intercept. So if there is only one value of a, that means this quadratic curve may touch x-axis at only one point, and this will be value of k. So if this curve cuts at x-axis at only one point, that means its discriminant is equal to 0. So we have b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now it's a, b and c. So b is minus 160 square minus 4a c is equal to 0, right? So that will give you, wait a minute, it's 160 square, 160 square becomes 25600 plus, so 1280k is equal to minus 25600. So divided by 1280 gives k is equal to minus 20. So value of k is equal to minus 20, and when we put k here, minus 20, that makes it 320a square minus 160a plus 20 is equal to 0. So it's 32a minus 16a plus 2 is equal to 0. A square, sorry, 16a square minus 8a plus 1 is equal to 0, and we have value of a. If you do middle term breaking here, minus 4a, so we take 4 common, so 4a minus 1, a is equal to 1 by 4 for this scenario. Okay. Now in this question, this is a kind of related rate question. Find volume of a large circular mound of iron ore of radius r is modeled by the equation. So V is equal to 3 divided by 2 into r minus 1 by 2 cube minus 1 for r is greater than equal to 2. Iron is added to a constant rate, so dV by dt is given as 1.5 meter cube per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the mold is increasing. So we need to find dr by dt. In this case, when the radius is this, so first of all, if it is v is equal to 3 by 2 into r minus 1 by 2 cube minus 1, so first of all find dv by dr. That will be equal to 3 by 2, 3 r minus 1 by 2 square into 1 minus 0. So that is equal to 9 divided by 2 r minus 1 by 2 square. When radius is 5.5, so we are going to put it 5.5 here. So 9 divided by 2, 5.5 minus 0.5 square. That is equal to 9 divided by 2 into square, that is equal to 9 into 25 by 2, 225 by 2. So that is dV by dr given here. Okay, and next is we need to find dr by dt. So let's apply chain rule here. dV by dt is equal to dV by dr into dr by dt. So dV by dt is equal to 15. dV by dr we just calculated, that was 225 by 2, and dr by dt is required. So it is 30 divided by 225, that is equal to dr by dt, and you can calculate it what it is. 30 divided by 225, 30 divided by, that makes it 0.133, okay, or we can cancel it with 5 as well. So 5 6 are, so it's 2 divided by 15. Sorry, this is 1.5, we missed it. That is equal to 9 divided by 2 into square, that is equal to 225 by 2. So let's so dV by dt is equal to dV by dr into dr by dt, that is required. Okay, so dv by dt is 1.5 is equal to dv by dr. This is dv by dr, that is equal to 225 divided by 2 into dr by dt, that is required. So it's 3 divided by 225, that is dr by dt. We can simplify it. It's 1 divided by 75, that is dr by dt. Okay. In next part, now they say find the volume of the mound at the instant when the radius is increasing at a 0.1 meter per second. Now in this case, well, in this case V is equal to, in the question we have expression for volume is 3 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 cube. It's 3 by 2 find the volume of the mound at an instant when radius is increasing. So when dr by dt is equal to 0.1 per second. So dr by dt is, so dv by dr is equal to 9 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 square, and dv by dt is equal to dv by dr into dr by dt. Now dv by dt is always 1.5 in this question. dv by dr is 9 by 2 r minus 1 by 2 square into dr by dt, it's given as 0.1. So 1.5 into 2, 9 into 1, 0.1, that is equal to r minus 1 by 2 square. So this value is going to be I guess 30 divided by 9 is equal to r minus 1 by 2 square, and further it can be 10 by 3 is equal to r minus 1 by 2 square. We take square root on both sides, so r minus 1 by 2 is equal to, it's 10 by 3, and in next step we can take r is equal to 10 by 3 under root plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2, right? So this is radius when find the volume of the mound at the instant when the radius is increasing at this instant. So yes. Okay, next question 10 is the function is defined for this given that the curve with the equation y equals to fx has a stationary point when x is equal to 2. So first of all find f prime of x, that is 2x minus k divided by x square, and it has stationary point, that means it will be 0 at x2. So 2 into 2 minus k divided by 2 square, that makes it 0 is equal to 4 minus k divided by 4. So 4 is equal to k divided by 4, and k becomes 16. K is equal to 16. ठीक हो गया. And in next part, determine the nature of the stationary point. So in order to find nature, obviously we need to find second derivative. So it's 2x minus 16 by x square, 2x minus 16 divided by x square. Okay, and if we substitute it equals to 0, we find value of 2 plus, it's 2 plus, we find second derivative, that is equal to 2 minus 2x minus 16x minus 2, so that is equal to 2 minus 32x minus 3, that is equal to 2 minus 32 by x cube, right? 2 minus 32 by x cube. And this is your second derivative test. It was 0 at x is equal to 2, I guess. Substitute 2 in it, so 2 minus 32 divided by 2 cube, so 2 minus 32 divided by 8, 2 minus 4 that is equal to minus 2. So minus 2 is less than 0, so it is maximum at x is equal to 2. So nature of stationary point, it is maximum. Okay. Sorry, there is a small mistake here. F prime of x is equal to 2 plus 32 by x cube, and we put x is equal to 2 to find out stationary points. F double prime of x, that is equal to 2 plus 32 divided by 2 cube, that makes it 2 plus 32 divided by 8, that is equal to 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now 6 is greater than 0, so minimum at x is equal to 2, right? So in next part, given that this is the only stationary point of the curve, find the range of f. Okay, if we have original function as f of x equals, it was 2x minus k was 16 by x square. This was the original curve, 2x x square plus k by x plus 2. It's x square so that is equal to x square plus 16 by x plus 2. In order to find range of the function, range will be always greater than its minimum value. So minimum value is at 2. So it's 2 square plus 16 by 2 plus 2, that makes it 4 plus 8 plus 2, it's 14. So we say that range is y greater and equal to 14 in this case. Now question number 11 is of integration. So first of all, we have two curves, y equals to 1 by 2x plus 7 by 10 minus 1 divided by x minus 2 power 1 by 3. And here it is, the diagram shows the line x is equal to 5 by 2, this one, and part of the curve, and the normal to the curve at point 3 and 6. Okay, this is normal. This is normal. Find the x coordinate of the point where the normal of the curve meets x-axis. We'll have to find equation of normal and find x-intercept. Okay, so let's see what curve we have. Y equals to 1 by 2x plus 7 divided by 10 minus x minus 2 power minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so let's find gradient. Dy by dx 1 by 2 plus 0, 1 by 3 x minus 2 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. So it's 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 x minus 2 minus 4 divided by 3, right? That is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 x minus 2 4 by 3. Now the point where we are looking for, it's 3 and 6 by 5. So x is 3, 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, 6, 5 by 6. So gradient of tangent is 5 by 6. So we are looking for normal. So we would say for normal, slope is equal to minus 6 divided by 5, and point where they want us to find equation of normal, 3 and 6 by 5 is 3 and 6 by 5, right? So y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Y minus 6 by 5 is equal to minus 6 by 5 x minus x1. Is that clear? So this is a gradient. Now y minus 6 by 5 is equal to minus 6 by 5 x plus 18 divided by 5. And this is equation of normal. Point point of intersection with x-axis. So in order to find x-intercept, what we do is we put y0. Okay, so y minus 6 by 5 is equal to minus 6 by 5x plus 18 divided by 5. So 6 by 5x is equal to 18 by 5 plus 6 by 5. So 6 by 5x is equal to 18 and 6, 24 by 5. So x is equal to. Okay, now in next part we need to find area of this shaded region. If you see, this is 3, this is 4. So what we do is we have a triangle and its area is 1 by 2 into base into height. So it's 3, so 3 by 5, that makes it 0.6. So 0.6 is area of triangle. Now what about this area? We are going to integrate this curve from 5 by 2 to 3 by 5. So if we integrate it from 5 by 2 to 3, and it's 1 by 2x plus 7 divided by 10 minus x minus 2 minus 1 by 3 dx. Okay, and we are going to integrate it with the upper limit and lower limit. So 1 by 2x square plus 7 by 10x minus x minus 2 power 1, it's 2 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Okay, and upper limit is 3, lower limit is 5 divided by 2. So when we use calculator for this, for example for upper limit minus lower limit, we have an answer of 0.48 centimeter square. And if we add 0.6 into 8, that will get total area. So 0.48 plus 0.6, one by 2 into base into height plus integration from, wait a minute, 5 by 2 to 3, 5 by 2 to 3, that is equal to the curve, and the curve is half x plus 7 by 10 minus half by 10, half x plus 7 by 10 minus 1 divided by x minus 2 power 1 by 3, I guess, dx. So this area is 0.6 plus this after integration is 0.48, and if we add both we have 1.08, that is required area for this. Okay, you have to show the whole integration working while solving it. And this is the last part of the question, that is this is a circle with center. From here we will have to find center, and the tangent to the circle at point 5 and 4. So this is 5, 4. The tangent to the circle cuts x-axis and y-axis at A and B. Find the area of triangle where O is the origin. So first of all I need to find radius of the circle, center. So it is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 27 is equal to 0. So x square minus 6x plus y square plus 4y is equal to 27. So coefficient of x divided by 2 whole square, 3 square is added on both sides and 2 square is added on both sides. So this is x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equal to 27 plus 9 plus 4. So that makes it 27 plus 9, that is equal to 31, and this is 40. So x minus 3 square plus y plus 2 square is equal to under root 40 square. So center is 3 and minus 2, and radius is equal to under root 40. Okay, now the question is, the center we get is 3 and minus 2, right? Okay, this is center, this is perpendicular to this. Now we need to find equation of AB. For this, 5, 4 and 3 and minus 2. It's 5, 4, 3 and minus 2. So this is center. Let's make it different. This is center and this is point center. This is point P. Now in order to find gradient, that is equal to minus 2 minus 4 divided by 3 minus 5, that is equal to minus 6 divided by minus 2, that is equal to 3. So gradient is 3 for the radius thing, and for equation AB, gradient is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so minus 1 divided by 3 is the gradient, and point is 5, 4. Equation of AB is going to be y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So that is equal to 3y minus 12 is equal to minus x plus 5. So x plus 3y is equal to 12 plus 5. It is 17. X plus 3y equals to 17. Now in order to find area, find the area of triangle OAB. So O is the origin. In order to find area, I need to find A and B coordinates. So coordinate of A, the x-intercept, we put y0. So it is going to be x equals to 17, and for B we put x0. So it is 17 by 3. So its area is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. So it is 17 square by 6. So what is 17 square? Basically 289 by 6. 289 by 6 centimeter square is area of AOB, right? Area of this triangle OAB. OAB. Next part, it says points Q and R also lie on the circle side that PQR is an equilateral triangle. So PQR is an equilateral triangle. It's P, it's Q, it's R is an equilateral triangle. Okay, and find the exact area of triangle PQR. If this is an equilateral triangle, then obviously every angle is 60 degrees. Okay, since we know that this is an equilateral triangle with radius 40, so area is equal to 1 by 2 into A into B into sine of theta, right? So it's 1 by 2 into 40 into sine of 120. So if we have to find sine of 120, this is equal to under root 3 by 2. So it is under root 3 divided by 2. Yes, so it is going to be 10. So 10 under root 3. So area is equal to 3 times, because we have 3 side triangles. Okay, 10 under root 3, that is equal to 30 under root 3. So this was winter 21 paper 1. Thank you very much.